Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the topic discrete Fourier transform. It is shortly called as DFT. So discrete Fourier transform is nothing but it is to convert the discrete time samples into discrete time frequency index, which means here x of n will be given. You have to find the capital X of k. So for inverse DFT, the capital X of k will be given. You have to find the small x of n. So let us see the formula for DFT and also IDFT. So for DFT, so here n samples will be given. You have to find the x of k. So x of k formula will be x of k is equal to summation of small n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi n k by capital N. Similarly for IDFT, which means inverse discrete Fourier transform, the formula will be small x of n is equal to 1 by n summation of k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 capital X of k e power minus j 2 pi n k by capital N. Here we have the term n. The n represents the total number of samples, that is length of the sample, and k is ranges from 0 to capital N minus 1 and small n ranges from 0 to capital N minus 1. So for finding discrete Fourier transform, we have two methods. First one will be the direct method and second one will be the transformation matrix method. So let us see an example how to solve the problem. So here is the question. Find the DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0. So this arrow mark indicates it is the x of 0. So here x of 0 will be 1, x of 1 will be 1 and x of 2 will be 0 and x of 3 will be 0. So here we have to find the DFT of the sequence. So here x of n sequence will be given. So for finding DFT, we have the formula capital X of k. So you have to find the capital X of k. The formula is capital X of k is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi n k by capital N. So in the question x of n will be given, which is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0. So this place represent n of 0. So n of 0 is, x of 0 is 1 and x of 1 is 1 and x of 2 is 0 and x of 3 is 0. We can note it as x of 0 is equal to 1, x of 1 is equal to 1, x of 2 is equal to 0 and x of 3 is equal to 0. So next you have to substitute the values in the formula. X of k is equal to summation of, so n is equal to 0 to n minus 1, n is equal to 0 to n minus 1. N minus 1 will be the total number of samples. So n minus 1 means the value of n will be the total number of samples. So here the total number of samples will be 4. So the value of n will be 4. So 4 minus 1. So x of 1 e power minus j 2 pi k n k divided by, and also the value of n will be substituted here 4. So here we have a 2. We have to cancel it. Now the equation will become n is equal to 0 to 4 minus 1 3 x of n e power minus j pi n k divided by 2. So this is the equation for x of k. So now you have to substitute the value of x of n. So substitute the value for n. So first n ranges from 0 to 3. So first you have to substitute the value of n as 0. So e power minus j pi. So here 0 means 0k divided by 2, which means the value will be 0 plus x of, here we have the 1. Next you have to substitute the value of n is equal to 1, e power minus j pi. 1 means 1 divided by 2, which means plus x of 2. Next you have to substitute the value of n is 2, e power minus j pi 2k divided by 2 plus x of, next you have to substitute the value of n as 3, x of 3 into e power minus j pi 3k by 2. So next you have to solve this. X of 0 into e power 0 plus x of 1 e power minus j pi k by 2 plus x of 2 e power minus j pi. So 2 cancel, k plus x of 3 e power minus j pi 3k divided by 2. So next you have to substitute the value of x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So here we have the value of x of 0 is equal to 1. So x of 0 is 1. So e power 0 is also 1 plus x of 1. So here we have the x of 1 value will be 1. So 1 into e power minus j pi k by 2 plus we have the x of 2 value will be 0 and x of 3 value will be 0. So here we have substitute the value of x of 2 as 0 and x of 3 as 0. So anything which will be multiplied by 0, the value will also be 0. So 0 plus, here also we have 0 because x of 3 value will also 0. So the answer of x of k will be 1 plus e power minus j pi k by 2. Next you have to substitute the value of k. So we have the formula of x of k. Capital X of k is equal to 1 plus e power minus j pi k by 2. So we get this answer. So the value of k ranges from 0 to capital N minus 1. The value of n will be 4. So the value of k will be ranges from 0 to 3. So next you have to substitute the value of k in this equation. So first you have to substitute the value of k as 0. So x of 0 is equal to 1 plus e power, you have to substitute the value of k as 0. So the whole term will become 0. So 1 plus e power 0, which will be equal to 1 plus e power 0 will be 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So x of 0 value will be 2. Next you have to substitute the value of k as 1. So x of 1 is equal to 1 plus e power minus j pi. Here you have to substitute the value of k as 1 divided by 2. So next you have to write this term as, we have already know that e power minus j theta can be written as cos theta minus j sin theta. So here we have the value of theta will be pi by 2. So you have to write this equation as 1 plus, in the term of e power minus j pi by 2, you have to express this term with respect to this formula. So cos theta value will be pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 minus j sin theta value will be pi by 2. So next you have to substitute the value of cos pi by 2. So for cos pi by 2, we have the value of 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0 minus j sin pi by 2 value will be 1. So the equation will becomes 1 minus j. So this is the value for capital X of 1. Next you have to substitute the value of k as 2. So x of 2 is equal to 1 plus e power. Here the value of k you have to substitute as 2 minus j pi 2 divided by 2. So here 2 cancel. So the term will be e power minus j pi. 1 plus e power minus j pi. So you have also write this term with respect to this formula. 1 plus the theta value will be here pi. So cos pi minus j sin pi, which will be equal to 1 plus cos pi value will be minus 1 and minus j of sin pi value will be 0. So this term will get cancelled. Then 1 minus 1, which will be equal to 0. So x of 2 value will be 0. Next you have to substitute the value of k is equal to 3, because you have to substitute the k value up to 3. So we have find the k is equal to 2, k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2 will be substituted already. Next you have to substitute the value of k is equal to 3. So x of 3 is equal to, so here 1 plus e power minus j pi. In the term of k you have to write the value of 3. So 3 divided by 2. So you have to write this term as 1 plus cos 3 pi by 2, because here the value of theta will be 3 pi by 2. So 1 plus cos 3 pi by 2 minus j sin 3 pi by 2. So 1 plus cos 3 pi by 2 value will be 0 minus j of sin 3 pi by 2 value will be minus 1. So 1 plus 0 minus plus j. So the value will be 1 plus j. So the x of 3 value will be 1 plus j. So now you have to write the whole term, that is x of capital X of k is equal to, within bracket you have to write the value of x of 0, x of 1 and x of 2 and then x of 3. So what is the value of x of 0? 2. So you have to write it as 2. Next the value of x of 1 will be 1 minus j. 1 minus j. Next the value of x of 2 will be 0. And the value of x of 3 will be 1 plus j. So this is the answer. Capital X of k is equal to 2, 1 minus j, 0, 1 plus j. Here it represents the 0th place. So always the second term and fourth term will be the complex conjugate. So the term will be imaginary and real term will always be same, but the term will be in the complex conjugate. So this is the answer.